So your SanDisk SD card suddenly shows as empty, or it's asking you to format it before you use it. Whichever the case, if your files were there, here is exactly how to get them back. Starting with completely free method that works in most cases. Now, before we start, it's very important to stop using the SD card immediately. Do not take new photos or try to format it. Adding new data can overwrite the lost files, making them impossible to recover. So safely remove the SD card from the camera and don't use it. Now you need to download a program called RescuePRO. Every genuine SanDisk SD card Pro or Extreme comes with 1 year of free license for RescuePRO. The RescuePRO license key will be on the back of the package or inside on an insert. Go to the SanDisk support page and download the program, go through the installation and then launch it. Now it will ask you to enter a license key. Once you found the license key, you can enter it here and activate it. And after that, you can start recovering your files. Select your SD card and then click on Start. Once the scanning is complete, you can preview the files and you can click on Output folder to see all the recovered files. However, people usually throw away the package. Plus, this software is suitable for basic data recovery. It doesn't recover all types of files. It may not work on more complex cases like fragmented photos or videos. It also doesn't keep the original file name. So if you find the license, give it a try. It might work. But if the license has expired or it failed to recover the files, then you'll need a better alternative for severe data loss cases. For that, I recommend EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, which has more advanced recovery algorithm for SD cards that gives you higher chance to get your data back. You'll find link in the description to download this tool. Plus, you can share this tool on social media to get 2 GB of free recovery quota. Now, let me show you guys how to use this tool. On the home page of this tool, you'll see all the storage devices connected to your PC. Plus, it has multiple recovery methods for different data loss scenarios. If your SD card is damaged, I recommend you guys to use image recovery option. This will create a full copy of your physical SD card and recover the data from it safely. So let's recover the data from SD card. For that, I'm going to go to SD card and then going to select my actual SD card. One of the best thing about this recovery software is that it supports all brands SD cards, even the corrupted or raw cards. And then going to click on search for lost data. And after that, it's going to start scanning for our lost data. Once the scanning is complete, we can either browse our files by path or type. So if we go to type and then go to pictures, expand it and go to JPEG, and here we can see our files and we can also preview them. Now, if your photos or videos are corrupted, it can also repair them automatically. You can preview them here. So if we go to video here, MP4, looks like this one is also corrupted. So it's gonna automatically repair it and we can preview it just like this. Now you can filter the files by date, time, size by clicking on filter, and it also supports thousands of file types. You can check them before you even recover them or purchase this software. And it also preserves the original file name. And if you happen to lost the RescuePRO license key, you can still download the EaseUS tool and try out the free version.